Hello young friends. So in this video we are going to do derivation of second equation of motion. And this equation we also call as position time relation. Sometimes in exams it is the question comes in this way also, that derive position time relation. So that time children get confused between all the three equations. So this one is velocity time, which is second equation of motion. Okay, so here we'll consider the same graph which you consider in first, second and third one. All the three equations of motion the graph remains the same. That is, velocity time graph you will draw. Consider the body starts from point A, goes up to point B. Okay, so it starts from point A, goes up to point B. From B we draw a line here. Okay, this point we take as point C. From A we will draw this line. This is D. This is angle theta. Okay, now here for again you will write down the explanation. What is the explanation? Suppose or consider a body. Explanation is important, it carries marks. Okay, so consider a body moving along a straight line with uniform acceleration A. Okay, now we consider, let u be the initial velocity. So what is our u initial velocity? We consider this as origin. This is your initial velocity. This is your final velocity as usual. So BD will be given as V minus U, because this is also U. So BD is given by V minus U. Okay, fine. So what we consider, let U be the initial velocity. Initial velocity of the body at t equal to 0. So when time is 0, the initial velocity is u. Okay, so now let the body cover distance s, okay, in time t in going from A to B. Okay, now to go from A to B, how much is the distance covered? As we have studied, to find distance, what you should do? Now you need to find out the distance covered in this between A and B. Yes, between A and B. So what we are going to do? We will find out the area of this portion. Correct? Now to find area of this portion, you can see here it contains a rectangle and a triangle. Are you getting? So you have a rectangle and a triangle. So how we will write down? So distance covered or distance S is given by area of figure. Which figure? Tell me. Yes, OA, BC. Are you getting? See this figure. OA, B and C. This portion. So this whole portion, when you find out the area, you will get distance. Okay. So area of the figure, how it is given by? So when we find out area, it is given by area of rectangle OADC. Which is the rectangle? OADC. Yes, this is point C. Now plus area of triangle. Which is the triangle here? You can see up. ABD is the triangle. So plus area of triangle ABD. Now what is the area of rectangle? Rectangle is this portion AOCD. So this is your breadth and T is your length. Correct? So I can write down this as OA into OA I take breadth and AD I take as length. So OA into AD plus area of rectangle. See, it is a right angle triangle. So what we will take? Only this as this and this. The perpendicular sides forms the base and the height. So half into BD. Can you see BD here? This is B, BD and AD. So half into BD into AD. Okay. Now you already know the value of OA is U, AD is T. Yes. And half. Now BD. BD we can write as, what is your BD portion? This is your BD. Correct? And which is given by, we can write BC minus DC, or which is V minus U. So I will write down this as half into V minus U is your BD. And what is your AD? AD is given by time. See, this is also T and this is also T. So VC into V minus C into T. Have you got this point? So what you get here, this is what we are finding out is distance. So S is equal to UT plus half V minus C into T. Correct? Now we go back to our first equation. What is our first equation? A equal to V minus U by T. Where you take T here, so what you get? AT is equal to V minus U. Correct? Now here in this portion, what we will substitute, you can see here, this is V minus U. So what you get? S is equal to, so here in place of V minus U, I will substitute here V minus U, I will substitute AT. So UT plus half, in place of V minus U put AT into T. So what you get? So you got your second equation, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is our second equation. Have you got it? Yes. So here what is? Okay, here this is V minus U. Okay, remember this point. Okay, now have you got this? So what we are going to do here is only have to remember 2 points. That is, you have to find out the area of this rectangle and area of the triangle. And rectangle is U into time T, and triangle is this portion, half into base into height, and base is T and height is V minus U. Then what you have to do? Just you have to remember one thing, that is, in place of V minus U from first equation you will substitute AT and you come back to the equation. So here you are substituting AT. So when you substitute this AT, it becomes UT plus half AT square. Okay, fine.